Thermostat wires that fall into a wall cavity can usually be recovered without tearing out drywall if you use the right tools and a careful method. When a thermostat wire drops behind the wall, start by cutting power at the breaker and testing the wire with a non-contact voltage tester to confirm it is deenergized. Safety first. Use a strong, slim-hooked wire, for example, a 3mm stainless steel retrieval hook or fiberglass fish tape. Insert it through the existing opening and work it along the stud bay with slow, controlled strokes while keeping tension so the dropped wire can be felt and snagged. If the wall outlet or switch box below the thermostat is accessible, open that box and feed a magnet-tipped flexible rod or a glow-in-the-dark pull string up from there while a helper gently nudges or pushes the dropped wire from the thermostat cavity to make contact. Never pull hard on the thermostat conductors themselves. If the wire is bundled with insulation or behind a cross brace, use an inspection camera or a flexible borescope to locate the exact depth and orientation. Mark that spot on the wall to minimize guessing. When a hooked tool finally captures the conductor, twist the hook slightly to trap the multi-strand end. Then pull slowly in short bursts while someone holds light tension at the top so the conductor does not slip back. If you cannot catch the conductor because the end is taped or frayed, strip a small portion, attach a firm leader like a stiffened string or a short length of fishing leader with electrician tape, and retrieve the assembly. Avoid staples and sharp bends that will damage insulation. Enlarge the hole only as a last resort. If you must, make a neat access opening about 1 inch by 2 inches directly over the suspected location so you can fish straight out and then patch with a metal or plastic drywall repair plate. Finally, secure the retrieved wires to the thermostat backplate before final routing and use cable staples set gently to prevent future pulls, and label each conductor at both ends to speed later troubleshooting. One of the common mistakes is leaving thermostat wiring energized while fishing, which risks shock and code violations. Fix this by always shutting off and verifying 0 voltage before starting, and use a non-contact tester as a double check. One of the biggest issues is trusting a single fragile hook that breaks or slips, causing the wire to fall farther into the cavity. Fix this by using a purpose-built fiberglass fish tape or multiple retrieval tools, and pre-attaching a leader to the conductor before attempting long pulls. One of the frequent installation errors is not securing conductors to the thermostat backplate before testing, resulting in lost wires during final routing. Fix this by anchoring wires with a temporary clamp or tape to the backplate, completing continuity and function checks, then installing final cable staples 2 inches from the device box. BigHomeProjects.com is a searchable directory that helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors who are experienced with wiring and thermostat installation, so you do not have to risk a costly mistake. The site also helps contractors get work by listing verified profiles, project photos, and customer reviews that match skilled professionals to nearby homeowner needs.